How to fix fail to accept the family invite. You are ineligible to join this team family at this time. This is actually a pretty easy fix. Now, the very main goal is to be on the same household, share the same IP address for a set number of days, same Wi Fi, and for you to be able to use either of two options, you must disable the VPN at first. Now, open up your friend's Steam account and then just go into the Steam icon at the top left portion of your screen and then go to settings. And then in here, just go to family and then just simply create or join a Steam family. If you're going to be the host or on the main account, all you have to do is to create it first, invite specific friends, and then let them accept it, and it will automatically do the magic by itself. And that is how you fix fail to accept the family invite. You are ineligible to join the Steam family at this time.